My name is Remi. This is my 1978 Alpine A310 V6. I got this car as a present from my father when I was a small boy. I was 4 years old then, and it was a small model car in exactly the same color, Alpine blue. So I always had a special relation to the Alpine A310 because of that story. And when I grew up and I was older then, I tried to find the very same car that I got as a little model car when I was a child. So I wasn't exactly searching for it, but eventually I found out that prices are going up and going up. So I started to really look into ads and stuff, and eventually I found this car, which is, let's say, my dream car, as it is perfectly the same car as my little model car. Well, once I accidentally mixed two different coolants, and the coolants caused a chemical reaction in the engine block, which basically made a hole in the engine block, and so I had a major failure of the engine. So what we have today is a replacement engine. I'm rebuilding the old engine, but I learned that you should never mix two different coolants, especially not with an aluminium block like in this Alpine A310. What I like about this car is that it has a great history. It's the successor of the legendary A110, which was a rally champion car, and but this car is more a Gran Turismo car, so it's a bit more comfortable on the inside, but still it's a fun car to drive. It's a real driver's car with an engine way back in the very back of the car, so very demanding driving, and it's a good combination between a car that you can use on a long distance journey, for example, but you can have a lot of fun on the mountain roads, on the passes, and that's what I like about this car. Let's say the build quality of the car is a bit special, especially on the interior. These cars were made, let's say, manually. Every car is a bit different, and let's say if you go to the measurements on the inside or upholstery stuff, they are a bit special sometimes, but I think that's the character of the car, so I prefer this car from a mass production car anyway. As I wanted the car to be as similar as possible to the little toy car I got in 1978 from my father, I tried to keep it very much original, as much as possible. The previous owner resprayed the lower part of the car in black, which is a little modification, but the rest is completely original. So this is kind of the real Alpine, the blue color, which I like, and I prefer the narrow body A310 like this one from the later GT packs, which are wider and look a bit more aggressive. But I like the original, let's say, small body A310. I'm a huge fan of French culture, and especially French car culture. And I remember when I got the little toy car in 1978, I already knew that once I wanted to own the real thing, the real A310. And now I have a 1978 blue Alpine 310.